So I'm finally feeling better. My gosh. What happened was I decided to go get the shingle shot, the shot for shingles, and it made me sick as a dog. Yeah. So I haven't seen my worm in a few days, so I'm gonna go check on them and see how they're doing, and I'm sure they're fine. But that's what happens. Sometimes you get sick and you gotta leave them. Look how weird. I didn't open the garden gate. Hmm. The weather here is going to be in the 50s today. Still feels cool, but not as bad. So this summer, I don't know what I'm going to plant in the garden yet. So you'll be seeing a few garden videos. And I want to show you all, because I know there's a lot of new people here. I have a worm barrel in there. I'm going to show you that too. So the worm tubs have made it into the extra room that I have full of junk. And so far they're doing okay. So I'm going to show you this room. So this room has been used for storage. Plus, I have a lot of my shipping boxes here, which I don't use a lot of them. I'm just going to feed it to the worms. And my exercise equipment, which we're moving out of here. But this, okay. Our youngest daughter decided to move out and get a place of her own. She rented this trailer in the middle of a forest. Like, it was awesome though. It really was. She had privacy. It was beautiful and stuff. Well, anyway, she spent more time at home than she did there. After like 6 months, she finally said, I'm lonely over there. Can I move back home? We're like, sure. So she sold off some of her furniture and stuff. But this is the stuff that's in boxes that she came back home with. So that is going to have to stay there until she decides to move out again. I'm not going to make her get rid of her personal things. I mean, it's not going to hurt the worms at all, you know. I do have a TV up here with internet and all that good stuff. So these are just storage boxes that I've been going with through, you know, when you see things that you haven't seen in years, it's like, oh my gosh. So anyway, I'm really good at clearing out and organizing. So all that's going to get dealt with. And the exercise equipment, this is only one piece. I have more pieces, are going to go out there to the middle room where these tubs were. So it'll be nice and neat and good looking out there. So that's what's going on. Of course, I haven't had time or have felt well to do any of this because I've been sick. And does anyone like haunted Raggedy Ann dolls? These are antiques right here. These are Knickerbockers, but that one, I don't know, there's something wrong with that doll. She has a strange look in her eyes. And this is all my new camping equipment because this year I want to do more camping, looking for Bigfoot. So that's what's going on in here. It's a nice big room. I think I can really take advantage of the space. And the other giant tubs I have in the other third room down here, I think I can move them in here. That way everyone's in the same spot. When I first started worm farming, I had worms everywhere. And I don't like doing it like that because it's easier for me to keep track when they're all in one spot, you know. So this area is where the worms were. You can see I am a crafter and I have a lot of books. I like to color coordinate all my art. But anyway, I'm going to put my sideways table in here once I'm done with this big table because it's going to be useful to like organize and spread things out. And I'll put my sewing machine in here. This is going to be my own little nook, you know, so I could come down here and spend more time with Joe. So I haven't been down here in a few days because what happened was my doctor's been bugging me about getting the shingles vaccine because I'm over 50 now. So I went and got the shingles vaccine and I got it on a Thursday. Let me see. I put in one of my older rockers in here so I have somewhere to see. No, I went to work on Thursday and I told my boss, you know, I'm going to get the shingles shot on Friday tomorrow because I had Saturday off. I figured, well, I'll get it Friday and I'll go back to work Monday. Oh no. I got so sick by Friday night. into dawn on Saturday. It was awful. I had 102 fever. I had shivers, constant shivers. I went and took like a hot shower because I thought in my head the shivers will go away. Oh no. No, the minute I got out of the shower, the shivers came back. And now the shot mark on my arm, you can see where the shot is, but this giant circle has like created itself around the shot area. So we marked it with a marker. And if it grows bigger, I'm gonna have to go see a doctor. I don't know. I think I had a bad reaction to it. But anyway, that's what happened. So I've been out of it. Today is Wednesday. I don't know if I'm gonna put this video up today or just wait till Friday. I am going back to work today, but I still feel tired. So I don't know. I guess I just had a bad, and the thing is, that's only the first one. I have to get another boost, like a booster to it, in two to 6 months. So I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. I'm debating, you know, so I can't feel like this. I feel horrible. But anyway, I had fed all these worms and watered them the Wednesday before, and I did again on Thursday because you never know with me how I'm gonna react to things. And luckily, I trusted my own instincts and I got sick. So, but they're doing fine. I want to show you the 3 that I had put the quarter pound in with the banana each. I want to show you how they're doing. I had this rocker in that spare room, and I figured I have nowhere to sit in here if I really want to take a moment and watch one of your videos up there. So I said, well, it's plastic and it's wipeable. It's supposed to go outside, but I like it in here because I'm afraid the weather's going to get to it. I love when I move plastic or paper or something and you see the bedding starting to move automatically. Oh, look at them. Say, hey, worm family, we're doing fine, even though Mama got sick. Yeah, they're doing great. And everyone else is too. I checked on them all. But these, I just love playing with the banana with these guys. Look at that. So they're doing great. Let's see. I've been pressing the 4K button on these videos. What do you all think? Oh, look. They're doing fine. And thank you all for all the nice comments and concerns. Makes me feel loved. This one's a little dry on the edges, but the worms are still okay. There's a lot of cocoons in here. There's a cocoon bin. Oh, there's a straggler. Because of the vent above me, you know, some of the worms in here, some of the bins in here just dry out more than others because of their location. I found this giant stack of paper in that other room. Look at that. So that's going to be very handy to cover these or the giant bins. We got a tree. We got a tree. We got several trees. I'm starting to see young ones in here. See how you see the paper being eaten? That's how you know they're there. So are you all planting any gardens this year? I really want to try and grow my Cuban peppers. They're called cachucha. In some places they call them ají dulce. They're challenging to grow. They really are. But when I do it successfully, I love them. They look just like a habanero, but they're sweet instead of spicy. Look, these worms love paper. Look at this. Look at them. But you know, they're just hard to germinate. It's like, oh my gosh, come on. I've had successes with them, and then I've had other years that I just can't get them to do anything. So, there's my grandfather clock in the back. Look at this banana. They're liking that one. And if you see mold like this, it's okay. Don't worry about it. I just go like this if I don't feel like looking at it. Mold doesn't hurt anything. So that's an update on everything. Everything's going well. I am recovering, and I should be back up to speed. Today I'm just gonna go to work and just do my job and go home, and I'm not gonna do anything crazy in the house. Luckily Joe's home, so when he's home he really helps a lot around the house. Like, I don't really have to do dishes or anything like that. He really chips in and helps, which I'm really grateful for. But when he's working, I don't expect him to do any of that, you know, because he works like really long hours. So that's what's going on. So I wanted to give you guys an update, and maybe I will put up this video today, and then I'll actually film one on Friday of me watering them, feeding them, and just doing what I have to do in here. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.